Yes, for that I got 4 beetroot small size. They're roasted and I made them little small pieces. So add that in here. And I got 4 cloves of garlic also roasted. Put that in here, Isha. And 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder. You can add that in here. And we're gonna add 1 tablespoon tahini sauce. You can add if you don't have a tahini sauce, you can use sesame seed whole, 1 tablespoon big size. So that's option. It will be just good as tahini sauce. Here, let me help you. Just do, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it is. Okay, now I got 2 cups of chickpeas. I soak them in water and I cook them, sort of not fully cooked, half cooked. So we're gonna put that in here, Isha. So and I kept a little bit of water that we're gonna be kneading this. And sort of going to put all of it in here. I want to keep some. Almost done.
Chickpeas
There
are
you go.
yummy.
Yeah, and salt to taste. So I'm going to use 1 kosher salt. I'm using that today. And lemon zest. You want to do that, Isha? Yeah. It's a little bit harder. Let me help you. Let me help you. Oh yeah, see? There you go. Not too much. A little bit is fine. And then I'm gonna cut this. Where's my knife? Okay, hold on. I get a knife. Have put juice in here. The juice out. Squeeze. There. All done. Just gonna pour that juice in here. There you go. It's very tasty. And I'm gonna cover this. Grind it. Press that button. Press that button. Start button. Start. And move this stuff out the way. Plug once, it moves around, because it's a cut it, right? So that's why I'm gonna move this. Just stir it like that. It will. Stops. Do it again. I think I'm just gonna keep in. And I'm going to add this chickpea water, about 2 tablespoons. It will help to grind also. There you go. If you need it, you can add some later. Yeah. Put that in here and press the button and hold it up there. Hold, no, you don't need that, but it's that, yeah. Okay, just a second. All right. Yeah. Press the high one. Press the high one. Sorry, we had to change the mixer. The other one got stuck. So, just grind to get ready. So there you go, my hummus is ready. I'm gonna drizzle some oil, olive oil on the top, because I didn't put inside, so I'm gonna put now. There you go. I have about 3 jalapeno which I roasted it and mashed them up and put it here. The kids don't want spicy, so we want spicy, we can just add that in here. So there you go. Our hummus platter is ready. Let the girls taste it. Alright girls, so there you go. My beetroot hummus is ready. All the veggies are ready. My pita bread is ready. And I'm gonna be posting video to how to make a pita bread. So let's girls taste it. And it's so healthy, and that's what they're gonna be eating all day today, right? So, Arya, here, what do you want? You pita bread or you want? You want carrots, right? So there you go. How was it?
It's really good.
Yummy.
Yeah.
It's so healthy. The beetroots are so good. They can eat like this, right? Otherwise, they wouldn't be eating. So you just mix it. My pita bread.
It's so good.
Please try it, and if you like my recipe, remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Oh my god, it's so good.